Everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are on day 9 of Vlogmas, so happy Vlogmas. How are you doing? Please smash this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below, especially if you love unboxings, because we are going to be unboxing a mystery box from Doll Beauty. So this box cost me £10 on Black Friday and £3 delivery, so just remember that, guys. And if they do any more mystery boxes, I advise you to buy them in separate orders, because people that have bought them in separate orders have actually had different things, but people that have bought them in the same order, it's been the same box. So I would advise, whenever Doll Beauty do mystery boxes or mystery bags, if you want more than one, buy them in separate orders. But remember, they're not going to be £10, they're going to be £13 with delivery. So with that said, let's get into the unboxing. This is what the box looks like as you open it. It's very nice, very pink, nice little bit of tissue paper. You can start seeing what products are in there already. The first thing we have are a set of Doll Beauty eyelashes, and again, I don't use eyelashes. I more bought this in the hope that there will be lipsticks in it, because I know some people have had 2 lipsticks and bought 2 different boxes and had 4 lipsticks. So yeah, these are in Make Them Stare, so let me give you a close-up. This is what they look like. They're very long, very wispy, very fluttery, just too long for me. You actually get 2 pairs of them. This is the second pair of Make Them Stare, and is it the same? I think they're the same. I think they're different. The first set that I showed you says DB13 on them right here, but there's no other name anywhere else. And then this set says DB15 on them, but again, no name. And you know what, Doll Beauty, these lashes do retail for £10, which is good, but like, the packaging is very nice and sturdy. It's not like the paper cardboard box packagings. This is what they look like. They're much more lighter and fluffier than the original ones that I just showed you. As you can see, these ones are a bit more darker, fuller, whereas the top ones are a bit more lighter. I must admit, £20, you've made your money back if you really like eyelashes. I feel like little old me is just not an eyelash person. So yeah, if you like eyelashes, this will be a good box to grab. The next thing we have here is a Doll Beauty mirror again. I recently did a giveaway and gave away 2 lashes and a mirror, because I'm just going to end up with so many of these, and I just about used the one I have. It is a nice one. It's thick. It's nice and pink, which is something I do appreciate. I like a pink mirror because I'm a very girly girl. I love pink and purple. So yeah, you get a mirror, and I think the mirror retails for about £10 or £15. I'm not sure, but I will put the price up here just to let you know. So you have made your money back already. And the last little thing we've got is a lipstick, and you know I'm happy for a lipstick. This is in the shade My Love. These retail for £10 too, but I think they've just repackaged their lipstick. So this is in the shade My Love. Oh, it's a nice brown. I appreciate this one. It's more of a peachier. See, it looks brown, but it is like a peachier shade, which I don't mind. It looks really nice, and I will get a lot of use out of that with a dark lip liner. It's really cute. Do I think this beauty box is worth £10, well £13 with delivery? Yeah, I do, because if you like eyelashes and you like lipstick and you like mirrors, then you're gonna like this box. Or it could be something that you give to someone at Christmas, because I'm sure Doll Beauty are going to keep doing these mystery boxes and mystery bags. They're really cute. So yeah, I think they're worth the money, especially if you like eyelashes. And if you're like me and you like lipstick and hoped, sorry, hair in my eye, that you'd get more than one lipstick, then they are definitely worth the price tag. So guys, if you have stayed around to the end of this video, you are going to be entered into a giveaway. Please write down below that you want to enter this giveaway and you would like to enter to win the mirror, which I'm blinding you, and the 2 eyelashes. If you want to win those, then comment down below, number 1. Number 2, you can write your favourite lipstick down below. I would love to know and test them out if I have them or if I don't. Number 3, please put a social media handle that I can contact you on. Number 4, you must be subscribed to me and like this video. And number 5, it is international. So yeah, if you want to enter my giveaway, those are the rules. They will be listed down below, so please check them out. Comment, like, subscribe, favorite lipstick, and then it's international. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye guys.
Merry Christmas!